Hello and welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope you guys didn't miss me much. I failed on posting this week because as I was trying to post the giveaway winner and I was recording, my camera fell and broke. So this is what I keep getting on my old camera. My lens completely cracked and I had to go out and buy a new camera. So I'm sorry for the delay, but unfortunately things happen and here we are today. And if you keep watching till the end of the video, you guys will see who won our famous giveaway. Our famous giveaway is mine, because I'm nobody. But who won my giveaway? You know, it comes with love, okay, guys? And as you guys read in the intro, I'll be doing my first time like of unboxing a Boxycharm. And keep on watching to see what I received in this month's box and see how I got this look. Just keep on watching, guys. So like you guys heard in my intro, I will be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. And no, this is not sponsored. I am not sponsored by anybody, so don't worry, guys, this is not a sponsored video. Basically, when I found out about this, I found out about it a year ago. I like found heaven with this because I save a lot of money. I save a crap load of money because they do send you like 4 to 5 full-size products, and it's like eyeshadow, concealer, foundation. Sometimes it's like face masks, sometimes it's face oils or hair products. It varies, so it's pretty good. I love it. And I because of it, I have a ton of makeup. Yeah, and I do give away a lot of it. So I'm gonna start. I already opened the box, but I did not open the product, so I don't know how they work, and I will be doing my face with it. So it comes with this, right? And this tells you the total. So basically the box is supposed to be worth a minimum of $100. So it's like, usually the products here are very expensive, but you're only paying $21 for it in the month. So okay, I got this BECCA Hydro Mist Setting Powder. I got 2 eyeshadows, glitter eyeshadows, which these come in handy for shows. These are great, so I will definitely be using that. I have a Tarte mascara. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know how they do this. I don't know. But this is a Tarte mascara. Big Eagle. I have a lip liner by Steve. And I didn't know I got a lip liner. Damn, I wouldn't have done my lips. And a face oil. I didn't know I got that neither. Normally, I don't know, you guys can't see, it's by Wonder Beauty. It's a glow ahead illuminating face oil. So normally I always know I'm gonna get an eyeshadow, that's why I did not do my eyeshadow. And sometimes I do always, like, I have a lot of mascaras, so eyeshadows in every box. Honestly, I've gotten eyeshadow, and normally I get palettes. This is the first time I get singles, which I do like singles because they're easy to carry around. But normally I do get a lot of palettes. So I'm not gonna try both because I'm gonna give this one away with the giveaway that I was doing, and at the end of the video I'm gonna announce the winner, so stay tuned. So this is going into the giveaway that I was giving away, and I will be using this one, which is called Cotton Candy. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna try to, I don't know how to swatch. I'm gonna try to be a fake makeup reviewer. Jeez. So that's the color. I don't know if you guys can see with this light. It's really brightening. It's a pink. And let me see if I can swatch it under my arms. Oh, it's pretty vibrant. I likes. So, and it's really smooth. It's really creamy. But yeah. Now I will try the Tarte. Clearly I have not opened it. The Tarte mascara. And last but not least, I'm gonna try this setting powder. I'm really upset. I didn't know that I thought this was honestly an eyebrow brush, and that's why I left it, because I was gonna give it away. But now knowing that's a lip liner, I'm keeping it. I didn't know I got a lip liner, and so I read the little card. So this is BECCA. This is by BECCA. This is a hydro. I don't even know what to expect because I've never heard such thing. I I just know it's setting powder, but I don't know what type of mix this is. Keep me close to keep me cool. Damn, I need to read instructions. How you use this? How you open makeup? Gosh. Oh. Guys, it has a little... Duh, Giovanna. Okay, and I'm assuming you take this off. Watch this. Oh, if this flies everywhere, I'm gonna be so upset. Because I'm wearing all black. Ooh. I smell things, I'm sorry. Alright. So, good thing I have my beauty blender. And I guess I'm gonna try this to set... Ooh. It's like a little spongy thing here. It's cool. I act like I've never seen setting powder before, but sorry guys, it's a new toy. Ah! Alright, so I'm gonna put this under my eye. I'm gonna set these ojera. Ooh, it's wet. This is weird. I've never felt this. Like, this is like really like it's cooling. I don't know. It's really like hydrating. Duh, Giovanna. Duh. Alright. This is so, it's like, I did not wet my beauty blender because I forgot. But this thing is like, it's already wet. I don't know if you guys understand me. Whatever. It's just moist. I don't even know the word. You guys will be following me along this weekend. I have a couple shows and I will be vlogging both of them, so you guys can see a day in my life. So far I'm in love with the products that we have. I still have to try this, which I'll try on my own, and the lip liner that I'll try on my own as well. I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed my Boxycharm unboxing. I will put my referral code thing down below, so I don't know what happens if you guys click on it and sign up to Boxycharm. I don't know exactly what happens, but apparently something happens, and if nothing happens, then nothing happens. But I will put it down below so you guys know what to click and say, yo, mama referred me. And I will be announcing the winner. So the winner to my giveaway is, drum roll please, it is Miss Thomas. I don't know how to say it. I will post it up here to show you guys that she did win. So this is our giveaway winner. I will be contacting this person through DM or however YouTube you could contact this person. Congratulations, and you'll be expecting my giveaway soon. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, click that little bell, comment down below, let me know what you guys think of my video, and subscribe to Boxycharm if you think that you'll benefit from it. Thank you guys once again. Till next time.